Script F, take 1.
And action, please.
I wonder whether to call Babe or not.
It's up to you.
And cut. Cut. Cut.
Script F, take 2.
Action, please.
I wonder whether to call Babe or not.
It's up to you. If you ask me, you have to make a mark somewhere. You know, Custer did it. Well. If it isn't the dashing groom.
I take it you already had, huh?
Must be the virus, huh? Quite a lot about. Tom and Jerry doing it, getting married, and Terry and that Anna girl.
No stories are going around that you and Pat in the first place never got married, man.
Really? Well, I suppose we'll have to make a bigger splash this time around, you know.
Cut.
Script F, take 3.
Action, please.
I wonder whether to call Babe or not.
It's up to you. If you ask me, you need to make a mark somewhere. You know, Custer did it. Well. If it isn't the dashing groom.
Well, I take it you already had, huh?
It's a virus, huh? It's a lot about John and Beverly getting married and Terry and that Anna girl.
Well, hey, stories are going around. You and Pat were not married in the first place, isn't it?
Really? Well, I suppose we'll have to make a bigger splash, you know, so that no one is left in doubt this time around.
Will be a big deal, huh? Isn't it?
Oh, the wax, the church, the registry, and markings on the clothes.
Yeah, marquis. You need permission to put up one of them.
You do?
Yeah. Of course. I mean, you need to invite your neighbors along if you want to keep off complaints, yeah?
Well, that will probably keep some of the nosy ones out of it. I see. I don't suppose you'd object to, you know, honoring us with your presence at the reception?
Ooh la la. That's a pleasant surprise, yeah?
Oh.
Mind if I come with a friend around?
Well, of course not, Ron. Of course not. See you around.
Wow, Bev would like this. Just get out of Bev.
Ron,
Yeah.
if you want to make her think that she can blow hot and cold whenever you don't give her what she wants.
You're right.
Leave her to stew a little bit. You know, you'll see, she'll come right running to you.